The Ambon damselfish. Just 4 inches long, they are the Romeos of the Reef. Males spend much of their time sprucing up their bachelor pads in a bid to impress the females. For this young male, cleaning up is a bit of a struggle. But when everything's just right, it's time to find a date. On such a busy reef, there can be hundreds of species clicking and popping. So damselfish do something different. They sing. We can only tune in to their delicate warbles using specialist microphones. Most remarkably, this was heard for the first time just 8 years ago. Scientists believe that one male began to sing this short melody, and then other males copied him, making it perhaps nature's newest love song. This underwater ballad soon attracts a female's attention. Clearly, a singing fish is quite a catch.